Hi folks, this is Mary. I'd like to show you this Wolf Pup. It's a 2018 16 BHS. The design of these small bunkhouses amaze me. You can sleep 5 people in this cute unit. You have a queen-size bed at the front with 2 windows on each side and storage overhead. You have a dinette that will break into a small bed, and you have 2 bunks in the back. The bathroom has a skylight and a small tub. The placement of the kitchen and sink and stovetop and refrigerator are all easily accessible, and there's actually quite a bit of counter space in this small kitchen. On the outside, you have an extra pass-through storage for wood and folding chairs that you might want to bring along. You also have a rack on the back of this trailer, and it has a spare tire, and you can strap some bikes or some supplies in the back. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please give me a call. My name is Mary, 406-850-4590. Thanks.